everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. My name is Jessica and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you want to stick around for a while, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell before you leave so you don't miss out on anything new. Now today I wanted to share with you guys a couple gift basket ideas from some Dollar Tree items. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the baskets I'm going to be using for the gift baskets are these jute baskets that OrganizerPro sent to me. They are the large jute baskets and they are so nice. They are perfect for storage and organization and decor. You could put plants in them or blankets or even towels in your bathroom. I think that these would make perfect Christmas gifts, and I think that these would be great to use as my gift baskets, and then that way the person can use the basket in their home decor afterwards. So anyways, make sure to check out the link below for these baskets if you're interested. So since these baskets are pretty large and deep, I am just going to use one of these cardboard boxes to put inside the basket, just to make sure that I can lift my items up so that way you'll be able to see them sticking out of the basket. And then on the either side of the box, I am just going to stuff some newspaper inside of there, and that's just also going to help lift my items up out of the basket as well. Now I'm just using some of this paper shred from Dollar Tree in the brown color. I used 2 bags and just spread it on top of the cardboard and the newspaper so that way you couldn't see that underneath of the items. Alright, so now it's time to add all of the goodies to the basket. So for this one, I am going to do a pizza making basket, and I think this would be so fun to give to a family with kids. Give them something fun to do together over the holiday break, and they could get this out and make their own pizzas. So I just went ahead and added a pizza pan from Dollar Tree, and now I'm adding these 2 already made pizza crusts from Dollar Tree, just keeping it simple so that way all they have to do is pull out the pizza crust and add their own toppings, which I got all from Dollar Tree, and you can customize these toppings to however you'd like. But of course I'm just going to go ahead and add a jar of pizza sauce to the basket. And then for the cheese, unfortunately I can't add fresh cheese because it will spoil, so they'll have to pick that up on their own if they want fresh cheese. But I went ahead and added the grated Parmesan cheese, which reminds me of the Chef Boyardee pizzas that I used to make as a kid, so the kids might love that, and you might not need fresh cheese. So I went ahead and added some pepperoni as well. This actually came from my local grocery store because Dollar Tree was out of pepperoni at the time, but they do sell Hormel brand. And then I went ahead and added a jar of minced garlic and some black olives, of course. And then also a can of mushrooms. And like I said, you can customize this to whatever you would like. And then also I added some red pepper flakes. You could add hot sauce if you wanted to. Those red pepper flakes actually came from my local grocery store as well because I know Dollar Tree sells them, but I couldn't find them at my Dollar Tree. And then of course you need a pizza cutter, so I added that to the basket as well. And then that was it. So I think this basket is super cute, and I think a family with kids would really love this. Or even you could gift it to like your dad or your mom if they want to make pizzas with the grandkids. I think that would be a great idea too. Now I probably will go ahead and wrap this with the shrink wrap that Dollar Tree has, but I bought some at the beginning of the Christmas season and I can't find it right now, so I didn't show that in my video, but that's probably what I'll end up doing with that, just to give it more of a gift basket look. Alright, so for my next basket, I am just going to add these smaller boxes to give my items some height. I added 2 stacked on top of each other, and then now I'm adding 1 back there on the side and leaving kind of a hole, and then just stuffing some newspaper down in there because I have something that I want to sit inside that hole, and it has to sit a little bit farther down in the basket than everything else. And then I just added some of this pink and white shred from Dollar Tree. I was kind of going for like a girly candy cane look, so that's why I went for the pink and white. Alright, so for this basket, it is more of the girly basket. It is a relaxing spa type of themed basket. I went ahead and added a bottle of wine there with my little gnome wine bottle topper, which I made in my last video. If you guys missed that, I will link that up above and in the description box down below if you want to check that out. I went ahead and added a couple of the loofahs from Dollar Tree as well. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and add a bunch of the Bolero products that come from Dollar Tree. I love this line and I love that Dollar Tree sells it. I think it is definitely looks way more expensive than what some Dollar Tree items look, and it smells good and it works really nicely. I use it all the time whenever I can find it. I've seen it out full force in all of the Dollar Trees that I've been to around my area. Probably for the holiday season, they have a ton of all of the Bolero products out. They have them stocked. So I went ahead and added just a bunch of different things to the basket. You can customize that however you want with whatever items you want. They have so many different things. And then to top it off, I just added one of those little massagers to the basket. And that was it. I think this turned out really cute. I think this would be perfect for any lady in your life who doesn't want a relaxing spa basket, especially after the holiday seasons. So, and then they can take everything out of the basket and use the basket for storage and other things that they need to. So don't forget to check out that link down below for these jute baskets. They are really nice and would make great gifts. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And that is it. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.